Hello everyone! Welcome to the part 3 of the Mandarin Collar Jumpsuit making process. Part 3 is about the sewing of the bottom suit. In that case, it is a short and it has pockets. As you see, I place each pieces of the pocket on the side seam of the short. I pin in place, then I will be sewing on top. After sewing the pocket with one of the short panel, I serge all the way from the top to the bottom of the short. Serging always prevents the fabric from fraying and helps to give a neat finish to the short. I iron the pocket flat, then I will be top stitching on the pocket only. I go through this process 4 times as there are 4 pocket pieces and 4 short panels. Here, a closer look of one of the short panel with the side seam serged and the pocket top stitched. These are the 4 panels of the short before I assemble them together. Right now I have pinned together the shorts and I will be sewing. As you can see, it's taking shapes. You can start to recognize the shorts of the jumpsuit. I always put a lot of stuff in my pocket, whether it's my keys, my wallet, my phone, my cards, whatever I have, so the seams of my pockets are always under a lot of stress. To avoid the seams to break, I always sew 2 rows of stitches around the pocket to make them stronger. Et voilà, the bottom part of the jumpsuit is done. It looks gorgeous already in my opinion. This fabric is absolutely stunning.